the team behind the master, and today I'm outside for once in my life. My miserable life. I'm outside. What is up with that? So I decided to take you guys on an adventure with me. A no editing adventure. Whatever happens, happens. So yeah. And I found a camera. So that I own actually. So isn't that not sick? So I'm just gonna, whoa, look where I just put my camera on top of. Hopefully it didn't get dirty. Like 3D shit right here. So I'm just gonna go on an adventure around here and take you guys with me on this little nature excursion. I say that and I position myself near 2 cars. That's fun. So there's the inside of that thing. If you need any extra automobile parts, call 1-800. No idea what to make of it. Now we're just gonna hop on the inside. See, there are books in here and I really don't want to like stick my hand in there. So, cool books. Like, I have no idea what, like, is that cool? I don't know. Some cafeteria seats that are grown over by grass and shit. How interesting. Yeah, woo! Old cafeteria seats. Idiotic drilling noise. And I have a feeling like people came out here and just sat on this truck and drank something. Cause, yeah, see that bottle? Yeah. Are those good tires? I don't know. Could I make bank by selling some of this shit? Who knows? It's not my property. And I'm probably gonna get screamed at pretty soon by the old evil man that lives up there. When I was younger, I used to always get screamed at for being up here with my friends. So, hopefully, it's not a repeat of that. Now, remember at that, like, ooh, look, a stick. But anyway, remember when I told you guys that I used to be up here with my friends a lot? Well, we actually made, like, a teepee hut. And I'm gonna try to get to it and show you guys the remains of it. So, I'm just gonna, like, attempt to not fall on my ass right now. Bad YouTubing. So, I think I'm almost there. I don't know, it might be that over there. That's where we came from. And this is where we're going. Hopefully I don't get poisoned by any of this shit over here. Because I'm in shorts. What a great fucking idea, Masky. Oh, picker bushes. This is like not the best idea from me, I will admit, but it is a video idea, and I think I'm almost there. Granted, I said that about a minute ago, but who cares? Right, guys? Okay, so I have lived in the same place all of my life, and thus I know the area pretty decently, I would hopefully say. So I doubt I'm gonna get lost in this shit. Oh, it knocked down, I think. There was something there. Let's do this shit. I'm just trailblazing. Ow. Leaves, sticks. I'm just gonna shaky ass camera work right now. Oh, I fell down. Okay. Ow. So I'm here at my old stomping grounds, and great job. Step over that. And I don't think it's that well together. Don't think it survived that long. Huh. Now I'm just gonna try to get in the middle right there and give you a little view. Ow, my hair is stuck, which is great. Ow! I'm gonna get so many marks from this. This is what, oops, did not fall. This is the remains of it. I remember my friends and I used to lie down on the ground here, and I don't think it held up too well. R.I.P. Fort. Can't do an end gate or start date. I don't know your birthday, sorry. Ow. I regret the regrets. The pokey regrets right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna break a few branches so I can actually get out. And if you know if any of these things are poisonous, please comment. It would be appreciated. And one last view of the old fort. Rest in peace, Forticus. Definitely just named that off the spot. Now, guys, if you want me to do more of these weird adventures near my house of random things and just woods by my house, comment. I'm up for it. I really don't care. Maybe I'll bring my dog along next time. Who knows? So, anyway, to all the fellow nobodies in the world, I wish you the best of luck with surviving it.